Uh, there, my name is Presley, and I participated in the 2022 BioBuilder High School Apprenticeship Challenge. So let's talk about it. So I initially applied to the challenge because I was like a super curious and super indecisive sophomore. I think the aspect of the apprenticeship that really taught me that was the biodesign aspect. And onto like biodesign project, I had the opportunity to create like a solution to a real world problem. After the apprenticeship, I ended up interning at the Tufts University School of Medicine, and BioBuilder helped me apply over there and ended up getting in. And BioBuilder even helped me once I was at my internship because I ended up taking all of like the lab skills and all of like the lab knowledge that I got from the apprenticeship and applying it to my internship, and really allowed me to be successful. And it created like such a wonderful experience for me. I truly loved being in like a research laboratory setting, and it was the best time for me. I feel like you should be honest and really present your thoughts when you're applying. Yeah, I hope you all apply. And I think BioBuilder, I think the apprenticeship is honestly really great.